Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. Today in the lab, we're going to be doing a how-to type of video. I am starting this series here on my channel because I have so many of you guys asking me how to do certain things, which is the reason I even started my channel in the first place. So this is a how-to series, and this is the first video of that. This video is going to focus on false lashes, how to apply false lashes as a beginner. So I'm going to be showing you guys my techniques that I use. I typically use the majority of my application with my fingers, and then I may grab my tweezers here and there, but I will say as a beginner I was not really into the tweezers. I kept sticking myself in the eye, so you want to be very careful with that. But all of that will be talked about throughout the video, so if you want to know how to apply false lashes, then keep on watching. Alright, so everything you'll need are your lashes, your glue. This is the Duo clear glue. It's the green writing, so the box that has the green writing will let you know that it dries clear. That is the one that I like to use, and you'll need tweezers if you need to, and also your fingers. So let's go ahead and apply these lashes. So I'm going to be using the Poshychic lashes. This is a company I collaborate with a lot here on my channel, so I want you guys to check them out. The link will be in the description box. These are in the style Chanel. So this is what you have to do, is use your hand to gently push the lash down. All lashes come in on this clear paper inside the box. You don't want to pull it immediately with your tweezers because sometimes that can rip the band and your lash is screwed. So as you can see, the lash was all together, and here I'm just going to go ahead and measure it on my eye. And so you want to just place it on your eye with no glue, of course, and measure everything out. So if you have any additional lash hanging from the eye, you want to make sure you cut it from the outside of the lash. Never cut the inner corner of the eyelash band, because then your eyelash is screwed again. So you want to make sure you cut from the outer end. So here is the lash glue, and this is the lash glue that has a wand, so it's easy to predict how much product is going to be on your lash band, and you can control it without the squeezy tube that's going to just squeeze out so much product. So here I'm just going to go ahead and do a thin line on my lash band. You definitely don't want to blow on your lash band. For one, it's unsanitary. Two, it's just not cute. So you want to wave it in the air or take a piece of paper or something and fan it until you get it to a tacky feel. So here I'm just waving it. Super simple, super easy. Now you can take a brush or some type of your tool or something, or your finger, and tap the tip of the lash band to just see if it's tacky. If it gets stuck a little bit, then that's how you know it's ready. Also, with this clear glue, you'll notice that the glue turns blue, so that's how you'll know that it's almost ready to adhere to your lashes. So here I'm placing it directly in the middle of my lash. You want to make sure that you have your lashes facing upward, but your eyes are looking down. So I'm looking down in a mirror, a handheld mirror, and I'm placing it right in the middle of my lashes first, right above my natural lashes. And I'm making sure it sticks there first before I connect the outer corners. So I stick it in the middle, and then I go ahead and adhere the outer end, and then the inner corner. Now sometimes for me, based on my eye shape, I have to go in with tweezers to kind of like connect the very end piece and then that inner corner piece. So that's what I'm doing here. But you don't need tweezers. If you're a beginner, definitely use your fingers. If you have nails, it's definitely easier to just clamp everything with your nails. Tweezers, as I said in the beginning, you gotta be careful. I have made the mistake of poking myself in the eye so many times, which is why I use my hands more often than usual. So here I'm just connecting the lash to my natural lashes, because you want to make sure that everything is adhesive and everything's just looking as one, and not like you have a false lash on and then your natural lashes are separated. So just doing the same thing on the other side, measuring it out. These lashes, I've already cut them to my eye size and shape because I wore them before. This is probably like my 4th time wearing these lashes, and they're really bomb, so definitely check them out. As I said, link will be in the description box below. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, placing the glue on the lash band, coating it, and then placing the lash looking down in the middle of my lash, my natural lash, connecting the inner corners and the outer corner, and then we'll be good to go. You guys, I know that lashes are like so cool and everything, and some people are scared of them, but they're super easy to apply once you get the hang of it. And just applying lashes just really adds so much heighten to your look, especially if you're doing like a dramatic eye look. But this is what they came out to be. Super cute. It makes a look go up 10,000 notches. So definitely give them a try. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial on how to apply lashes. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.